Hello friends, we are going to learn concept of circular measure from AS level syllabus, and I have taken a problem from AS level past paper. Now the problem here is the diagram shows points A, B, C lying on a circle with center O and radius R. Angle AOB is 2.8 radian. The shaded region is bounded by two arcs. The upper arc is a part of the circle with center O and radius small r. The lower arc is part of the circle with center C and radius capital R. State the size of the angle ACO in radian. B. Find R in terms of small r. C. Find area of the shaded region in terms of R. Now we will start the solution. So we will begin with A here. For the angle ACO, we will apply circle theorem. As per the circle theorem, angle ACB is half of the angle AOB, and angle ACO is half of the angle ACB. So we will be writing here angle ACO equals to angle AOB upon 4, which is 2.8 upon 4 is equals to 0.7 radian. Now we will proceed to B part. In B part, we have to find the value of capital R, and in terms of small r we will have to give the answer. So we will be considering the triangle AOC, triangle AOC, and we will apply the cosine rule. First of all, we will find out this angle. So angle AOC equals to 2 pi minus 2.8 divided by 2. The answer would be 1.741. Now we will apply the cosine rule for finding the value of capital R. So this is capital R equals to square root R square plus R square minus 2 R square cos 1.741. So we will be getting the answer in terms of R here, and the value we will be getting here 1.53. So this is the solution of second part. Now we will proceed to C part here. In C part, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So first of all, we will be finding the area of the sector CAB, and then we will subtract the area of the triangles. So we will start with sector CAB. Area of sector CAB ABC. And the area would be half. Now here the radius is capital R and the value of theta would be 1.4. Then from the part B we will substitute the value of capital R. So that is 1 upon 2, 1.53 square into R square 1.4. So the answer would be 1.638. Now we will find out the area of two triangles. So they are the congruent triangle. We will find the area of one triangle and multiply it by 2. So area of triangle COA which is half R square sine. Now the theta value would be here, that is again 2 pi minus 2.8 divided by 2. Half R square so the value would be into 0.985. Now the area of both triangle, so the areas CAOBC of CAOBC equals to, we will have to do the 2 times of this, so we will be getting 0.985 R square. So the area of region AOBA area of region AOBA equals to area of the sector 1.638 r square minus 0.985, which is r square zero point 653. Now we got the area of this region. Now we will have to find the area of the sector AOBA. So here we will write area of sector AOBA. AOBA equals to half r square. So now here the small r square into 2.8. So this would be 1.4 r square. Now area of shaded region equals to area of the big sector minus area of this region. So 1.4 r square minus 0.653 r square. Therefore answer would be 0.747 r square. So this is the solution of the given problem. I hope you understood the solution. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.